let's talk about endochondral ossification. In previous video, we had talked about intramembranous ossification, and there was secretion of matrix, and there were three examples like cranial vault, maxilla, and body of mandible. Here we will talk about endochondral ossification. What is endochondral ossification? There is conveyor of cartilage to bone, and example is cranial base, condyle of mandibles. Okay, endochondral ossification में there are two examples, cranial base and condyle of mandible, while base of mandible was by intramembranous ossification and cranial vault was by intramembranous ossification. Rapid cartilaginous skeletal development occurs in third month. Rapid cartilaginous skeletal development occurs in third month. In growth of vascular system, and the growth of vascular system is rapid by fourth month. First is rapid cartilaginous skeletal development. Second is vascular system, which is by fourth month. Epiphyseal plate cartilage lengthen the bone. Okay, epiphyseal plate cartilage, what does it do? It lengthens the bone. And periosteum increases, thickens and reshapes the bone. Epiphyseal plate lengthens the bone, while periosteum increases and thickens and reshapes the bone. New bone formation form cartilaginous or direct formation within the mesenchyme is called molding. What is molding? Molding is the new bone formation from cartilage or direct formation within mesenchyme is called molding. Molding is simple. Molding is simply the bone formation either from cartilage or directly formation within mesenchyme. Maxilla movement by resorption and remolding is the primary displacement, while forward movement of maxilla due to growth of cranial base is the secondary displacement. Actually, secondary displacement is by cranial base growth, and primary displacement is the movement by resorption and remolding within the maxilla. Okay, what are growth sites? Growth sites are locations at which growth occurs. For example, examples of growth sites are condyle, suture, synchondrosis, and ramus. Four things are examples of growth sites. What are growth sites? Growth sites are the location at which growth occurs. Four examples of growth sites are: number one, condyle, synchondrosis, suture, and ramus. Okay, ramus, condyle of mandible, sutures, and synchondrosis. These are examples of growth sites. Now we will talk about growth centers. Growth centers are location at which independent or genetically controlled growth occurs. Okay. Growth centers are the location at which independent or genetically controlled growth occurs. Growth centers of growth are growth sites. Because at centers there is growth. Okay, but that's why these are growth centers are growth sites. But not all growth sites are growth center. They are saying that all growth sites are not growth centers, because at growth site there is independent growth. Okay, all growth sites centers are growth sites, but all growth sites are not growth center. Understood?